Hey, welcome back. Let's talk about replication. Replication basically means that you keep a copy of data in some other location also, right? In Kafka cluster, replication provides data protection against server failures. If a server or broker fails, data can be used from another broker if you have set the replication. Topics are replicated across different brokers to provide fault tolerance. As you can see here in the diagram, broker 1 and broker 2. We have two servers. Within these servers, we have a common topic, topic 1. And in broker 2, you see a copy of the topic from broker 1. So if broker 1 goes down, you can still read the data from broker 2 for the same topic. Default replication is 1, which means data will be lost if broker goes down. Okay, it means there is no replication. Idle replication is 3, which provides good enough protection against data losses. The copy of a topic is always stored on different brokers, and this makes sense too, right? So no broker will have master and replica of the same topic partition stored simultaneously, because if that is the case and that broker goes down, you lost the master as well as the replica of the topic, so there will be data loss. So always master and replica are stored on different brokers, and this is managed by Kafka, so you don't have to manually do it. All right, so this is about replication. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Let's move on to the next topic. Thank you.